The kangaroo, a remarkable marsupial with many fascinating traits. These magnificent creatures with their muscular legs and powerful tails are built for agility and speed, but it's their ability to box that sets them apart from other marsupials. Most kangaroos can jump higher than a house. This is mostly due to their very powerful legs and the fact that houses can't jump. Some days they catch right hands from random humans, showing areas for improvement when it comes to their boxing defense. Kidnap a human's dog and catch a right hand, ha ha ha.